So let me introduce these people to you. Andrew Knight, Peter, I always stumble over your last name. Tell me again. Földházi. I'm sure I got it right? Thank you. Chris Loader. Andy Knight, Peter. Thank you. Adam Satterfield. I can never say Peter's last name. I have a mental block about it.
So I am Péter Földházi, and I promise that the next time we meet each other, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce my name. But
So let me introduce you to these people. Their names are there, Melissa Benua, Péter Földházi. So without further ado, I'm going to invite them up on stage, and here they are.
all right. So it's really great to see so many of you here in Los Angeles. I'm Péter Földházi, and actually I devoted this session to teach Alison how to pronounce my name, but actually she got it right, so yeah. So I promised it to her half a year ago, and a year ago as well, to teach her how to pronounce Földházi. I'm still going to go through with my talk, if you don't mind. And actually, I'm going to talk about a gentleman who is from a neighboring country of Hungary. So I'm originally from Hungary, and I moved here more than 4 years ago. And moving to another country, and especially to another continent, is really tough because you have to start everything from all over, right, from the scratch. And so for me, during the first couple of months, what really helped me to really go forward was this band, or this musician, Quixotic. I was listening to his new album, the Flamingo Drive-In, all the time in the first, not just first couple of months, but first year. And especially his song about Arnold Schwarzenegger. So as I mentioned, Arnold Schwarzenegger is basically a brother-in-law, as he's an Austrian, I'm a Hungarian. And so he moved to the States as well, much longer than me, like several decades ago. And he proceeded to become a multi-world champion and also one of the most known action movie stars in history. Now, that's a huge achievement, and definitely he was able to influence me as well. And one of the reasons why I got here, standing in front of you, is because of him. So, because people were didn't know how to pronounce his name, it was really tough for him in the beginning. And I realized that, hey, there's kind of like a funny connection between our names this way. So I decided to create a music video of him, a little bit of me, and testing. And you will see how he is connected to testing, a little bit in a weird way. But anyway, please enjoy this video, and I'll be back.
Hi, this is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Every time you tell people that you want to do something big, you want to get to the top in anything, they will say you're crazy, you can never do it. I think that's the very thing that I need to get inspired and to get hungry. I really get hungry when people say you can't do it. That's when I really get the drive. Well, when I went to America and I got into acting, everybody wanted me to change my name because people started saying Schwarzenschnitzel and Schwarzenheimer Flamin' Champion. Nobody could pronounce it. They were complaining about everything about me, not just about the name. They say you have a strange body, you have a strange accent, you have a strange name. Forget it. You will never make any movies. I kept all of those things. I still have a strange accent, a strange body in the end. The uniqueness of the name became the strong point now, and now people cannot forget the name. Schwarzenegger.
Hi, this is Péter Földházi. Every time you tell people that you want to tell legacy, that you want to achieve a high quality, they will say you're crazy, you can never do it. I think that's the very thing that I need to get inspired and to get hungry. I really get hungry when people say you cannot test it. That's when I really get the drive. Or when I went to America and got into consultancy, everybody wanted me to change my name because people started saying it was easy, it sounds easy peasy, nobody could pronounce it. They were complaining about everything, but not just about the name. They say it's strange testing, it's a strange accent, it's a strange name, forget it, you will never make it in STARWEST. I kept a lot of those. Still have a strange accent, strange testing, and the uniqueness of the name became a strong point now. Now people cannot forget the name. Földházi. I'll be back.
I told you this was going to be fun, right? Did you guys all enjoy that? Yeah. Huge round of applause for everybody. It never ceases to amaze me how fun this group of people are. And not to mention, I had no idea what was going to happen today, that we were going to have a legend, that we were going to have Cher, you know, she was the first with a single name, and then we were going to have Prince, came along next, and then we have Schwarzenegger, as you pointed out, and then, of course, the most current one, Beyonce. But now, who have we got? Come on, Földházi. Yeah. I thought that was pretty great.